Hi everyone, Josh May from Riccar. We're here to show you how to maintain and take care of your 25 series Riccar vacuum cleaner. There are several models in this series. The nice thing about it, the bag is the same for all of them. The filters, even though they're different media, they all change the same. So we're gonna go through how to do that. The process is the same, just which one you use. So we're gonna dive right in and show you probably the easiest bag that I think we've had to change. There's a release button right here. Your bag pulls out, top loading, really simple to access and to do. Because of where it's located, I'm gonna go ahead and change the bag now and we'll do the filters in a second. So we've got our new bag. You'll notice here that they have a gray collar on them, just like the box of genuine bags would have. So you have your gray collar. All you do is drop it into the chamber. It sits there and you close it. One cool thing about this, just so you know, is if you don't put a bag in it, the door won't close. So you do have to use a bag. That's why we like genuine bags, because we know they're gonna fit and work with the machine. So now our bag has changed. The filters on these, there's two of them. There's a pre-motor filter right here and a HEPA filter on this model right here. Again, all the models have the filters in the same place, just different media. Your filter goes on right there for your HEPA filter, your pre-motor filter right there, and we've changed the filters. Really simple, really easy to maintain, but also important to change your filters. A good suggestion would be to change your filters at a minimum of every 12 bags or more if you want to. Some people do it every 6, but minimum of 12 would be a good suggestion.